At first this design does not look that bad, but watch what happens when we fix it properly. First, a successful design starts with a perfect document file creation depending on your usage. For this design, I am using 1080 pixels for width and height, 1350, resolution 300, and the color should be RGB mode. The rest depends on your choices. Then I create. Now I am restructuring the layout to create a visual highlight. The main event title should stand out first by going to File and press Embedded. Then I adjust the selection. Now I have an editable text that will act as the main title. The main title is about Yacht part. Therefore, I have to go to Smart Object and edit the title from Summer to Yacht. And here I am using a Kira expanded font. Let the point be 72.5. Then go to File, Save. Go back to the main design. Now this is a result. Then I am simplifying the fonts. Using fewer typefaces makes the design look more professional instantly. Now I'm changing this one to Ackworth and this one to Transformer Bold. And change this one also. Transformer right, the subheading should be bold. I created a rectangle for contrast and bring it to back and change color to white. Then arrange left, come to this one, also arrange to left. And draw a line to the center, change color to this one. Change it to Transformer Bold, change color to yellow. I'll change this one to white and the point, let it be 3.7. Now what I'm just doing right now is to adjust the color palette to match the vibe of the event and change this to Transformer Bold. Now I change the font to medium. This one let be a regular, light. Change color to white. Now let us check spacing and make sure your design breathes. Now I am just adding a subtle effect to enhance the design without making it cluttered. I'm just changing this color to white of this rectangle and around the corner. Now I selected this text and duplicate it. Then I selected the text below, create a clipping mask to the rectangle below. Then applied drop shadow and this one, it is the same process, same to this. Then I applied a noise texture effect. Change the mode, color band. Add a stroke to this rectangle. Now I am changing the flag of this yacht. Then I use object selection tool. Then drag around the flag. Then Ctrl J, duplicate. Go to rectangle tool, create a rectangle. Convert to smart object, reduce the color opacity, Ctrl T, right click, distort the transform. Then go to file and press embedded. I pressed this color, I pressed this flag. Now go to smart object, right click, and go to file, press embedded. I pressed this flag, adjust the size, then go to file and save. Go back to the main design, then go to your design, select the smart object, right click and create clipping mask. Change the mode to multiply, duplicate it, and I change the color to screen. Go to file, press embedded. This time I am bringing this one. Select the icon, go to FX, color overlay, change the color to this one. Let's align them, center. Then it is time to press a logo around this design. Now the logo is part of our design, so make sure to complement the design accordingly. So to change the color that palette with the whole design, go to FX, color overlay, and change the color to white. And here is a final result, much cleaner, modern, and visual balanced. If you enjoy these design fixes, make sure to subscribe my channel for this part of my Fixing Bad Design series. Thank you and see you until next time.